All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, the final verdict here. Let's go with the chocolate pie first because I actually made it first. We'll get it cut up and I'll put it on the plates and we'll tell you what we think here. We've got a slice of the pie here and it looks pretty good. The inside looks like it looks like a jello texture, which it should with gelatin and marshmallows. Get a good view of that. But one thing I will do, I'll take a bite of it normally, but I think I want to put some Cool Whip, a little Cool Whip. And I've also crushed up some Oreo shells. Put that in there, I think it'd be pretty good. But let's try this plain, tell you what we think. Interesting, yeah, it's like a thick jello texture. It's thicker than pudding. I've never had marshmallow chocolate pie. It doesn't have a huge overwhelming chocolate kick. Put a little whipped cream. I would eat it like this. Get a little of these Oreos. Right there, call it a night. Yeah, it tastes decent. It's not incredible, but just sitting at a Christmas party, I would definitely grab a slice, try it out. All right, sugar cookie time. We will put the buttercream frosting on these cookies here. Here we go. I'm glad I followed your recipe. 6 minutes at 400. I always overbake cookies. These are cooked well enough. They're not too crunchy, they're nice and soft. Good buttery texture, not super sweet, not over the top, which is surprising because you saw how much sugar I use. Let's try it with the icing. Yep, folks, winner, winner, chicken dinner. We're going to Rihanna T's sugar cookies with buttercream frosting. If this recipe didn't have a buttercream frosting, I might have leaned towards the pie, but these are actually not overly sweet. They're sweet, obviously, but they're not like, oh my goodness, sweet. I can't eat many of these. The bake time is what's perfect. They're not overcooked. They're definitely cooked enough. Rihanna T, congratulations on winning the 2021 Best in Kamloops Christmas Holiday Treat Contest. I will send you an email and I'm going to get you a prize for winning the contest. Most likely the prize will be a gift card to my favorite pizza place in town. If you don't live in Kamloops, but I'm almost certain that you do, we'll figure out something else. But congratulations. Thanks for everyone who submitted a recipe. I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. All the best in 2022. Let's roll.